Afternoon everyone. Today I'm going to do an exercise video on triceps. Now triceps are obviously the rear part of the arm, that horseshoe shaped muscle on the other side of the bicep. I often see a lot of people in the gym incorrectly training this specific muscle. Now obviously it gets worked in a lot of compound exercises like bench press and shoulder press, but you can isolate it. And the most common isolated exercise is a cable tricep extension or a cable tricep push down. Now I want to show both because they're slightly different in regards to the connection used on the cable machine, but the technique involved in getting these right is very paramount, because a lot of people will tend to swing and utilize their shoulder more than their target muscle, which is the tricep. So let's have a crack at this. So the first one is a tricep extension. I've got the rope connection onto my cable machine. Very, very simple. Two hands over the top. Make sure you've got the hand all the way down the bottom so it's not going to slide any further. You want to bring the weight down, lock your elbows off, so those elbows do not move. Straight away I lean in slightly so I've got room at the bottom of my waist for when I extend, I'm not going to bounce in. Now as you can see, I split at the hip, so the rope itself, if I do it on a straight angle, it splits at the hips. That gives me a straight arm finish. So my tricep gets completely worked before I come back up, and that elbow does not move. Often I see people rotate the shoulder before they bring the weight down. Now that would suggest that the weight is either too heavy or they just simply are not familiar with the correct technique, which is a straight pull down. So that's the rope connection. The second one is a push down, which basically requires a V-bar. Very, very simple. Most gyms have these, so you just switch the connection over. Straight away it's just slightly different. I like to place my thumbs over the top of the V-bar. So thumbs over the top, and again, elbows by your side, and it's a push down. So we're actually pushing straight down as opposed to splitting at the hips. So there's no movement by the connection, and that's it. That's pretty much all we want to do. The big thing that I wanted to focus on is no shoulder rotation. Everything else is a straight push down or a straight split with the rope. That's it, really simple. Great way to work the triceps. Always try and hit the triceps after a bench press or a shoulder press or some sort of compound move where you're pressing to engage the shoulder press, and then we compound it further with a tricep extension or a cable push down or any of those exercises. So that's the tricep, that's how you do it. Happy days guys, I'm Paul from Paul's Body Engineering. Find me on Facebook, YouTube and Instagram. Have a great day.